You want to try to get on the road?
Yeah.
Because there's going to be lots of cars. I don't know if we're going to get the front row, okay?
Too quickly, well.
No, because it's going to be past the crossing by the time I get there. Okay?
Yeah. Keep moving or barely?
Going pretty slow.
Huh.
When these gates go down, we'll try to be the first to pop out of here, okay?
What do you mean, pop out here? Is there an eastbound coming?
No, it's that one.
Yep, here it comes. You see what the number is? I can see it.
2221.
Well, 5721. Did you see the number? Going pretty quick. Yep. Okay. 5701. This here lumber coat, the white coat on it. It's a long train. That's it. Cool. You can see the number.